What's up, guys? Here is the all-new 2019 Amazon Fire TV Cube. I took it out of the original box because it has my address and everything on it, and I didn't want to really show it. But let's get into this, and we will see what all's here. And as you can tell, it's in a plastic. So it's, wow, it's not taped. I thought it was going to be taped there. But anyways, that just makes it easier. Pull that off. And then, let's see, how do you get into the inside here? It's going to be taped on the bottom. Wow. Right there. Let me get this untaped, probably. Is it taped there? I don't want to tear things up. I don't have nothing. Let me get something to tear it up with. Let's see if this right here with a little handy nail. Just, oops, bumping the camera. Take the nail and just run it through there. See if I broke it. Broke the tape. Dang. I thought the nail. There we go. Put the nail out of the way because I don't want to pop this air mattress thing here. Alright, so there we go. So there it is. I'll hold it up. If you want to pause and read, you may do so. See if I can get it to focus a little bit. And then here's the side here. You can pause and read if you need to. Alright, guys, turn it back to this side here. It's smaller than I thought it was. Alright, so let's go on and open the bad boy up. Oh wow, that opens like that. Nice. Oh, that looks so cool. I'm bumping the camera again. I got a little habit of that, people. But anyways, oh nice. Oh, nice. Ooh, that's cool. So we got that. Then let's see what's in this box. Got the power cord. That looks like the older looks like power cords. What else is in here? Okay. You have the this is a IR blaster, which is really cool. You can put it inside your cabinet if you have all your TV stuff in a cabinet there. So that's neat. And let's see what else is in here. You have your books, regular Amazon books and stuff. That's cool. Just throw that off to the side. Then you have your all new 2019 Alexa remote. Then let's see what else is down in there. Nothing else is in the box. That's pretty cool. So guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Help support my channel. I am disabled and I try my best. So if y'all can, please help support me. Subscribe and like my channel, and see you in the next video. Have a great, awesome day, and stay safe out there because right now we're in quarantine season.